If your Navien tankless water heater suddenly stops delivering hot water, start with a structured approach. First, confirm the basics. Make sure the unit has power, the circuit breaker hasn't tripped, and the gas supply valve is fully open. These simple checks often solve the issue right away. Next, inspect the cold water inlet filter and rinse out any debris. A clogged filter can restrict water flow and prevent the unit from heating properly. Also, check the air intake filter and clean or replace it if needed. Look at the display panel for error codes. These codes are extremely helpful in narrowing down the problem. For example, code 003 typically signals an ignition failure, which may point to gas supply issues, a dirty flame sensor, or a faulty igniter. If you're getting lukewarm water with weak flow, the internal check valve could be allowing cold water to mix with hot, which usually requires professional service. Also, be aware that certain Navien models were recalled in 2025 due to carbon monoxide risks after gas conversions, so verify whether your unit is affected. If the problem continues, mineral buildup inside the heat exchanger is a common cause. Descaling the system, especially in hard water areas, can restore performance. Check venting for blockages, ensure proper gas pressure, inspect the flow sensor, and confirm all wiring connections are secure. Annual maintenance is the best way to prevent recurring issues. Always turn off power and gas before working on the unit, install carbon monoxide detectors, and contact a qualified technician for complex repairs.